Have you ever wondered what it means when a woman touches your arm? Most men don't realize the hidden messages behind this simple gesture. It could mean 1,000 different things, from I feel comfortable with you to you're really special to me. Lucky for you, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of psychology facts. We're going to decode those subtle cues so you can understand women better than ever before. So buckle up and get ready for a crash course on the language of touch. Trust me, understanding these signals could change your life. Fact 1, it's more than just skin deep. You know that feeling you get when someone gives you a warm hug or a reassuring pat on the back? That's the power of touch, people. It's a universal language that speaks volumes, even when words fail us. Think about it. From the moment we're born, touch is our first form of communication. A mother's gentle caress, a father's comforting hand. It creates a bond that words can't describe, and it doesn't stop there. As we grow, touch continues to play a vital role in how we connect with the world around us. A handshake to seal a deal, a high five to celebrate a victory touch adds a layer of meaning and depth to our interactions. But here's the thing. Not all touches are created equal. A quick tap on the shoulder is different from a lingering touch on the arm, right? It's all about decoding those subtle nuances, and that's what we're here to do. Fact 2, does she feel safe with you? All right, let's talk about comfort and trust. These are two huge factors when it comes to a woman's body language, especially her touch. When a woman feels comfortable around you, she's more likely to let down her guard, both physically and emotionally. And you know what? A touch on the arm can be a big indicator of that comfort level. Think about it. Would you touch someone you didn't feel comfortable with? Probably not. So, if a woman is frequently touching your arm during conversation, it's a good sign that she feels at ease in your presence. But it goes beyond just feeling comfortable. That arm touch can also signal a sense of trust. She's letting you into her personal space, even if it's just for a moment. Now, I'm not saying that every time a woman touches your arm, she's ready to profess her undying love, but it's definitely a positive sign. It means you're building a connection, and that's a beautiful thing. Fact 3. Is she saying, I'm into you? Let's talk about the L word, love. Touch can be a powerful way to express affection. A gentle caress, a loving embrace. It speaks volumes. A touch on the arm can show she cares. It's a subtle way of creating a connection. Think about it. When you're attracted to someone, you want to be closer. You want to feel their energy, their warmth. A single touch doesn't mean she's in love. But with other signs, like prolonged eye contact, genuine laughter, and interest in your life, it could be a sign. Fact 4. A shoulder to lean on touch as a sign of support. Life can be tough sometimes, right? We all need someone to lean on, someone to offer a comforting touch when we're feeling down. And guess what? A touch on the arm can be that silent gesture of support, that unspoken way of saying, I'm here for you. Think about a time when you were going through a difficult time. Remember how a simple hug or a pat on the back made you feel seen, heard, and understood? Touch has this incredible ability to convey empathy and compassion, even in the toughest of times. Now imagine a woman sees you're feeling down. Maybe you're sharing a personal story, or you just look like you need a pick-me-up. If she reaches out and touches your arm, it's her way of showing empathy and offering support. And let me tell you, those small gestures of kindness can make a world of difference. Fact 5. Beyond words, deciphering her silent signals. They say actions speak louder than words, right? Well, when it comes to touch, that couldn't be truer. Touch is a powerful form of nonverbal communication, and it's time we start paying attention to what it's telling us. Think about it. A firm handshake can convey confidence and assertiveness, while a gentle touch on the hand can express warmth and empathy. Now let's go back to the arm touch. If a woman touches your arm during a conversation, it could mean she's trying to emphasize a point, express excitement, or simply draw you in closer. The key here is to pay attention to her overall body language. Is she making eye contact? Does her touch linger for a moment? Is she smiling or leaning in? These are all clues that will help you decipher the true meaning behind her touch. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Fact 6. Reading between the lines, casual versus intentional touch. Let's talk about casual versus intentional touch. Not all touches are created equal. Casual touches are brief and light. Intentional touches linger and convey meaning. Pay attention to context and body language. Fact 7. The touch that binds, building stronger connections. We've talked a lot about how touch can reveal a woman's feelings, but let's not forget that touch is a two-way street. It's not just about decoding her signals. It's about using touch to build stronger connections with the people you care about. Think about the people you feel closest to, your family, your best friends. Chances are touch plays a significant role in those relationships. You hug, you high-five, you might even playfully shove each other from time to time. These physical interactions help solidify your bond and create a sense of intimacy. Now, I'm not suggesting you go around hugging everyone you meet, but incorporating appropriate touch into your interactions can go a long way in building rapport and connection. For example, a firm handshake when you first meet someone shows confidence and respect. A light touch on the arm during a conversation conveys warmth and empathy. Fact 8. Lost in translation, touch across cultures. We live in a diverse and wonderful world, but that also means navigating different cultural norms, especially when it comes to touch. What might be considered friendly and appropriate in one culture could be seen as intrusive or disrespectful in another. For example, in many Latin American and Mediterranean cultures, touch is a natural part of everyday interaction. People greet each other with kisses on the cheek, hugs are commonplace, and touching someone's arm during a conversation is a sign of engagement and warmth. However, in some Asian cultures, physical touch, especially between opposite genders, is often reserved for close relationships. A touch on the arm from someone you're not close to could be seen as overly familiar or even disrespectful. So what's the takeaway here? When you're interacting with people from different cultural backgrounds, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Fact 9. Location, location, location. Touch in different settings. Just like cultural norms, the appropriateness of touch can also vary depending on the setting. What might be perfectly acceptable in a social setting could be completely inappropriate in a professional environment. Let's start with the workplace. While some casual touch might be acceptable among close colleagues, it's generally best to keep things professional. A handshake is always a safe bet, but avoid unnecessary touching, especially if there's a power dynamic at play. Now let's talk about social settings. Here, touch is generally more acceptable, especially among friends and acquaintances. A pat on the back, a hug hello, or a light touch on the arm during a conversation are all generally considered friendly gestures. But remember, even in social settings, it's important to be mindful of personal boundaries. Fact 10. The power is in your hands. Key takeaways and awareness. Congratulations! You've just completed a crash course on the fascinating language of touch. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's recap some of the key takeaways. First and foremost, touch is a powerful form of communication that can convey a wide range of emotions, from comfort and trust to affection and support. Secondly, when it comes to deciphering the meaning behind a woman's touch, context is key. Pay attention to her overall body language, the duration of the touch, and the setting you're in. Thirdly, remember that touch is a two-way street. Don't be afraid to use appropriate touch to build stronger connections with the people you care about. So there you have it, folks. The secret language of touch, decoded. Remember, these subtle cues can speak volumes about how a woman feels. By paying attention to these nonverbal signs, you'll be able to understand her better and build deeper, more meaningful connections. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a situation where a touch on the arm spoke 1,000 words? Share your stories and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the power of touch is in your hands.